Hello guys, so welcome back to our YouTube egg channel. We found another egg. So was ik crashing egg? Talk. Okay, yes, I'm done talking talk. Guys, I did get another egg. And it's in my yard, guys. Big trees. So wanna see, bye guys. Okay, I'm gonna bring the camera quickly. Now to view better. See guys. That's the egg. The egg must not grow. He's gonna sit on the egg because he found the egg. I'm not gonna pass it, even just and if we get how many subscribers, then we get 2K we have at YouTube. We have 5 eggs and our baby chickens is there at the back. You can't show it to you now. Yes, we can't because like it's locked. Here's the key of the house by the chickens. So I will show it through the window to you guys. You can see better. Come, let's go out. Okay, let's go out if you can view better. Come on. La 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 la. What are they? So here's the egg house, as you can see. So that is the house. And that we will be putting the birds now. Can you see famous here? Right here we will be putting the birds. And we in this room here. We just there. Let's go. I sleep to the drive, but I didn't leave. Giving my life. Saturday we tried. Yeah, Saturday we tried. It wasn't. So guys, I wanted to like, subscribe, comment the egg family, and we in Africa. Yes, and we have one range, not dollars of one range. And we will be giving away 14 eggs to the ones that subscribe and like. So please like and subscribe. We are the big family, if you know. And don't worry if I show the half of the dirt here around the egg house, no? Don't just worry about that. And the fun, like our room. Doesn't matter how dirty it is, at least we have a room. So please, peace, we are Clocky.